Starting a Printify business is a great way to sell custom products without managing inventory. Here's how to get started. Sign up for Printify. Visit Printify.com and create a free account using your email or Google account. Choose a selling platform. Printify integrates with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, eBay, Amazon, and more. If you don't have an online store yet, sign up for one of those platforms. Select and customize products. Browse Printify's product catalog. Use the Printify mockup generator to upload your designs and preview them on products. Set prices and publish products. Printify provides a base price for each item. Set your retail price to include your profit margin, then publish your products to your store. Automate fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Printify's print partners will automatically print, pack, and ship the product directly to them. You only pay for production once you make a sale. Market your business. Promote your store using social media, influencer marketing, SEO, and paid ads.